Welcome to Technify, your trusted source for everything in the world of technology. If you're passionate about gadgets, drones, and the latest innovations that are shaping the future, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting releases in the world of FPV drones, the DJI Avata 3. This new generation drone is built for thrill seekers, content creators, and anyone who wants to experience flight like never before. With smarter features, more power, and a refined design, the Avata 3 pushes the limits of what an FPV drone can do. It's not just an upgrade, it's a full-on evolution, offering improved stability, incredible image quality, enhanced controls, and safety systems that make it ideal for both beginners and seasoned flyers. Whether you're flying through tight indoor spaces or gliding over epic outdoor landscapes, the Avata 3 is designed to give you a smooth, immersive experience every time. So if you've been thinking about stepping up your drone game or want to know if this model is worth it, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Technify. The DJI Avata 3 is a major leap forward in FPV drone technology. With a compact yet durable build, it refines everything that worked in previous models and adds powerful new enhancements. Its lightweight frame and integrated propeller guards make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The aerodynamic design reduces air resistance, helping it fly more efficiently and smoothly. Thanks to its compact size, it's easy to carry, perfect for traveling. Whether you're new to drones or an expert, the Avata 3's rugged construction gives you the confidence to fly without fear of minor bumps. At the core of this drone is a 4K camera with an upgraded image sensor that delivers crisp visuals and vivid colors. The wide-angle lens captures immersive footage, making it ideal for cinematic shots. Advanced stabilization ensures smooth video even during high-speed flights. It also performs well in low-light conditions, expanding your creative options during dawn or dusk. With features like HDR video and slow motion, content creators can explore different styles with ease. When it comes to performance, the Avata 3 doesn't disappoint. It's faster, more agile, and incredibly responsive thanks to its improved propulsion system. The upgraded battery offers around 25 minutes of flight time, so you can enjoy longer sessions without frequent recharging. Enhanced obstacle detection sensors help avoid crashes, especially during complex maneuvers or in tighter spaces. The drone handles wind like a champ and hovers with precision, making it reliable for both adventurous flying and detailed filming. Controls have also seen significant improvements. The new motion controller offers a more natural, intuitive flying experience, while the redesigned traditional remote features customizable buttons and better ergonomics for extended flights. The updated DJI Fly app adds tools like route planning and in-app video editing, giving you control over both your flight and your footage. Plus, compatibility with DJI Goggles 3 delivers an immersive FPV experience, letting you see exactly what the drone sees in real time. Safety has been a top priority in the Avata 3. The improved obstacle avoidance system gives you peace of mind during every flight. The return-to-home function ensures your drone safely comes back if it loses signal or runs low on battery, a real bonus for newer pilots. Built-in geofencing prevents the drone from entering restricted zones, and the emergency brake and hover feature allows for quick stabilization during uncertain moments. Lost your drone? The Find My Drone feature uses GPS and sound to help you locate it, which is super handy in tricky environments. Beyond the basics, the Avata 3 brings added versatility with smart extras. You can quickly share videos through the DJI Fly app, streamlining your content creation process. It supports accessories like ND filters and charging hubs to enhance your workflow. Its modular design makes it easy to swap out parts or upgrade components, which adds to the drone's longevity. Plus, regular firmware updates help keep everything running smoothly and introduce new features over time. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the DJI Avata 3, a drone that truly takes FPV flying to the next level. Whether you're chasing cinematic footage or simply chasing the thrill of the flight, the Avata 3 is a remarkable fusion of power, precision, and creativity. From its lightweight, rugged design to the advanced 4K camera and intuitive flight controls, every element of this drone has been fine-tuned for an amazing user experience. It's agile, smart, and packed with safety features that give you the confidence to fly anywhere. Whether you're a beginner exploring FPV for the first time or an expert pilot capturing high-speed action, the DJI Avata 3 isn't just about flying, it's about storytelling, adventure, and unlocking new creative possibilities. With DJI's continued commitment to innovation, it's clear this drone was built not just for flight, but for inspiration. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at the latest drones, gadgets, and cutting-edge tech, then give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment with your thoughts, and tell us what you'd like to see next. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and join the Technify community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.